Hey guys, we're doing video number 6 in the release wave 1 of 2020. So this one actually has to do with languages. Before, when you needed a different language in your system, you would contact your partner and they would install that language, and then you were able to select it in the system. But today, BC, of course, is in Azure. And in the Azure cloud, we have access to the App Store. And in the App Store, we have all of the languages. So all you need to do right now is just go to the App Store, pick a language that you want, like Icelandic, for example, install it, and it gets installed into BC, and then you're ready to use it. So that's how easy it is to add whatever supported language is out there. And there's lots of them, lots and lots. Now I just warn you, if you install it and change the language to Icelandic or something else, you just have to know Icelandic in order to change it back, because otherwise you might not find the button to do that. But so just remember where the button is to go back. Let's see how that works. Okay, so let's take a look at how languages are managed in Business Central. So I can go ahead here into extensions right here, take a look at the extensions that I have, and go into the marketplace. Marketplace has a bunch of extensions that you can add on, install, and take out. But the languages is actually now part of the app source or extension market. So soon it'll bring up the list of extensions that are available, and I can just go ahead and do a search, and I'm going to just do Icelandic. So I have here the Icelandic language as an app, and I actually did install it, so I'm not going to go through that, and I just hit get it now and hit OK, and it installed into Business Central. So what I can do is, and I can see here, now I have the Icelandic language installed. So I can go into my settings right here and change the language to Icelandic. So I have that here, just hit OK and OK. And then the system will activate the Icelandic language, which is basically just an app in the system. And now you can see it gives me a message about Kronus in Icelandic, and now it says, hi, Jóhannes Gunnarsson, viðskiptamenn, and all kinds of funky letters and stuff. So this is all in Icelandic, as you can see, if you know Icelandic. If you don't, you just take my word for it. And now it's just the tricky part of finding your way back into English. So that's how you change languages in Business Central now with the new update. Basically just install it through the app source.